Hey guys, check this out. So if you paid attention to our other video, we shot you a quick happy 4th of July. I hope everybody had a wonderful 4th of July celebration. I know we did. So what we've got today is we actually shot this on 4th of July. It's a family cookout. We're gonna grill and chill, hot dogs, hamburgers, typical thing. Might be some cornhole out there. Looks like it'll be a good time, right?
Yeah.
All right. And this is how we do it. All that school paperwork, paper that was left over after your kids went to school. Recycle that shit like those charcoal with it. Might not be the healthiest, but it's the easiest to get a hold to, I promise you. I think we got hot dogs, hamburgers,
a little bit of everything going on today.
Everything going on today. We got Fat Kid on the grill. What's up, Wolf Mikey?
He's hanging out.
Everything out back.
We do. We got Big Bean in the bank. Let's get this charcoal running, man.
Can't handle the heat.
Stay out the kitchen, boy.
Cooking on the old bum drum.
Yeah, man. Old Faithful.
Got that Kingsford Applewood. Kingsford, if you see this, we're looking for a sponsorship.
Well, we strictly use Kingsford.
Most of the time. 60% of the time, all of the time, we use Kingsford. I'm sure y'all write that down out there now. You can see the little Applewood flakes in the charcoal.
Subscribe to the Corporate. All your Corporate styles.
Light your paper, man. Might want to wear a respirator when you do this. If you're not a seasoned charcoal griller. But us court boys are pretty well seasoned in this area.
Hey!
What in the hell? What the hell are you doing? Hey, buddy, I'm just being patriotic. Just being patriotic. That's Court Boy style. Court Boy style. May the 4th be with you. Let's go. Let's go. I was. And that boy is Here we got a little Kingsford. You hear neighbors are celebrating already. A little Kingsford, finest Kingsford charcoal or hot box ready to go. I'm gonna drop this in. A homemade bum drum we got going on here. Nice and clean. This is what's commonly called as an ugly drum smoker. We call it the bum drum. Bottom rack, because it has adjustable grates, goes on the bottom. We're gonna add this secondary grate to the top. Get it good and cleaned off. We'll get it hot and get it good and scraped off. And we'll be putting food on shortly, folks. So the world can see my dirty kitchen.
Gotcha. Good old Oscar Mayer hot dogs here. Can't go wrong.
Green melon in the back. You can't beat that.
Get your old patties. Some nice patties.
We got a standard old housefly. He comes with every barbecue.
Yeah, he likes to hang around. Then we got some good old
Johnsonville.
Johnsonville Italian sausage.
There we go. That's
Okay,
what's
we're
up.
over there.
Hey, let's take this load out, man. Let's
Can, sir.
do that.
Get these regular little hot dogs.
Meet us at the grill, folks. Follow us to the grill.
We coming? You're here now.
Go ahead now. What we'll do is we'll get everything good and almost done as far as your meat eaters, and then we'll put the top rack in and let that relax a little bit. Yeah, put them to the outside. And we feeding a whole farm full of people around here. Put them sausages on it. Don't let them touch your head. Set them down, spread them out for me if you wish to. You get them all in line, man. Pack them all up in there. Gotta make room, man. This is an ugly drum smoker. If you got one, you know what it's about. I got you.
If you don't know, you won't know.
But you
But
should
if you
know.
do know,
This is definitely the
you really know.
You should be cooking.
And if you don't know, now you know, court boys.
Hey.
That's caught by style. That's it, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Junebug, we are set.
Don't get that lid.
Let's put that lid down. We got some baby corns there. We stack this on top of that. Let's lid this. Yes, ma'am, it do. That's why we do it. Catch us back 2 and 2. Woo! But there is food in there amongst the fire. Actually, there's no fire. It's just a little bit of smoke at this point. We're gonna flip these burgers. You can hear it? I promise we're not burning anything. Well, as I start to burn everything. Fire control, folks. That's how you run a charcoal grill. Oh, we still holding the fire? I'm impatient. With my patience. We're gonna just flip these burgers one time. One good flip.
Okay. Meet you at the
Court boy style. Eat it all the way down.
I almost hit the airplane.
Biker Bill wanted some Limburger cheese, so I helped him to some. Now he's acting like he's on fire. Check him out.
Biker Bill. Not good.
Let me check on Biker Bill.
I thought this paper was the hardest one.
Are you okay? Biker Bill. Man, tell us what happened. So that Limburger was pretty spicy?
Very.
Would you like another cracker with cheese?
Firework. We're gonna go get ready to set them up. All right. So the reason we're gonna do them during the day is because I am on the night shift. I'll go in around 11 tonight. So for the next 4 or 5 hours, as soon as we get home, I have to go to sleep for about 4 or 5. So we're gonna do some during the day so we can give you a little bit, and we'll just see how it goes. I think it was supposed to stay in the box.
What you got, little Mikey?
TNT.
Gonna go boom?
Minecraft.
Purple rain.
Huh? Should we run?
Nah.
Oh. No, Karen, no, Karen. That was fireworks, Karen. It was not gunshots.
Oh. The fireworks are done now. Is there more?
Now,
Pop, pop,
nobody's
pop,
got
pop,
food,
pop,
and the flies
pop.
will not leave.
Big boom! Ugh.
court boy style. Kaboom!
Where did I sit?
That's how you eat on the court. Hold it over the tailgate of a truck, fan them flies. Oh,
25 of them.
Biker Bill. Here now, guys.
here, hold that.
Ooh. My ear popped. Sure did. My ear sure did, buddy. Sure did.
I don't know. What do you think, Michael? Should I try it?
Let's get you.
What do you think?
Why not?
Oh.
I would say.
Biker Bill say boom.
You know what? This is WWE.
Safety first at the court, boys. Here we have rigged up a new one because the first one felt a little unsafe.
I think that'll be perfect.
Yeah.
Drop it that. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That'll hold it up. Look.
Oh yeah.
It's just one boom.
One boom.
It'll go somewhere.
You ready?
Yep. Oh, watch out, Bean. Oh, that is.
I came out the wrestle like I was in WWE.
Well, basically, that was not having the correct equipment to fire off such a explosive firework. And everybody's good. It just didn't work like it should have.
It's working court boy style. That's how we do it around here. Boom.
Let's see how it is. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Oh,
That's not the one I lit. That's the one that's messed up.
man, I thought I was cool. Thought I was like some Matrix dodging it.
Well, let me tell you something. My belly's full.
Yeah.
I am stuffed. I'm hot and sweaty. My cornhole arm hurts, but I wouldn't have had it any other way. Man, we were surrounded by family and friends. I hope you guys were too. This is what it's all about. Hit that subscribe button, folks. Do that like thing you do. It helps us do what we do. Remember, we are the Court Boys.
We're not all boys. We're not all girls. We're not all men. We're not all women.
But we are one all in the same. We are one love. Peace out.
Happy 4th of July.
Why doesn't nobody wants to play with the guy with the bikini on? What are the teams?
Well, I mean, I can't look away.
What?
I can't look away.
You should. Come on, Biker Bill. I think his clutch hand's messed up from that damn mousetrap video we did. Agreed. Then, hey, let's run
Bill.
damage report, Biker Bill. Let's get him.
My third win today.
Yeah.
3 out of 4.
Shame wearing that didn't help.
Hey, man, you got my belly.
Ow! Kablooey! Pow, 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 4th of July.
Hey, boy, ain't rough around here, you know what I'm saying? We finna go play in the creek, you know what I mean, boy? Yee! Boy, I don't know who you talking to, boy. I'm finna court on the court, boys, Mikey, man. You don't even know. Oh, this man trying to get the legit. You don't live on the court, boy. I'm a court boy. True, true.
Crazy. I don't even know what he's talking about. Don't even know what he's talking about because he ain't in front of the court no more. He live across by you from the court. He don't live on the court. But you know what is it? Take the court boy out the court. Take the court boy out the court boy.
Take the court boy out the court. Can't take the court boy out the court, boy. Hey, man, we all do that right here. You in the wrong court, by the way. And, you know, court boy. Take the court boy out the court, but you can't take the court boy out the court, boy.